Welcome back to Learn Fast Studios. In this session, we are going to see one example with the switch case. Our example is to read month number and print the corresponding name of the month. Example, if we give the input as 1, for input 1, we need to print January, 2, February, and 3, March, and so let us directly start writing down the program and just keeping that in common. First, let us understand what is the problem here. Here, our problem is having the multiple alternative statements. For executing this multiple alternative statements in C language, we are having the two options. One is an if-else ladder, second one is a switch case. If-else ladder is quite suitable when the problems are having the conditions designed for the less than and then greater than symbols. But whereas when the problems are having the direct choices cases such as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or A, B, C, D, the sort of the direct cases, then we will be making use of the switch case statement. Let us start reading the month number. By reading the month number, I am just using printf. After reading this month, based on the input given to the month, we need to display the corresponding name of the month. So for this, we would be using switch syntax for the switch case. Switch value case val1 statement list break. Similarly, we will be having multiple number. Finally, we can include default. Default will not be having any case to verify. So let us see how this gets executed. Whenever the control comes here, it first verifies the value for the corresponding matching case. If the value matches the val1, if the value matches the val1, it executes the statement list after the colon and it breaks. We go to the statement end. If the value matches the value 2, it first compares the value 1 because it is not equal. Then it will go to the value 2 and it compares. Now it is equal. Then it executes the corresponding statement list and then it breaks from the switch state. Very important point here is break statement is must after every single case. And one more important thing is the value suitable for this switch statement is only either integer value or character value. I repeat, only integer and character values only can be comparable. In this case, switch statement is having some a certain limitation when it is compared with an else if ladder statement. Now let us consider our problem. Our program is to read the month number and print the corresponding name of the month. So we are having the 12 different alternatives, 1 for January, 2 for February, 3 for March, 4 for April, likewise. So I am just writing down here the value. Instead of the value, I am just writing down the month. First case is 1. The statement list that I need to write down printf break. Similarly, I need to write down, I need to fill the remaining all 12. We completed writing all the 12 different cases, 1 for January, 2 for February, 3 for March, 4 for April, 5 for May, 6 for June, 7 for July, 8 for August, 9 for September, 10 for October, 11 for November, and then 12 for December. Default statement also we can include as printf invalid month. After default statements, we need not to mention break because there are no other statements to get executed. We finished writing the program. Now let us save this program and compile and check. I am just entering the value 1 and it needs to print January. Similarly, I just wanted to execute one more time to printing February. Let me execute the case with the default 13. It is printing invalid. Now I just wanted to show you what is the impact of the break. I am just removing the break after January and executing this block. Now I give this one. In our previous case, we got the output as January, but now it is both January and then February. Our case matches with only January case 1, but the problem is because we didn't mention the break statement until the next break statement it encounters, it will execute all the statements irrespective of the case. I just wanted to explain you how this statement will get executed. The value whatever we are giving, it will compare with the case value. If it matches the case value, then it executes the statement list corresponding to that, and every case must end with a break statement. If the value is a character value, then we need to embed the case value within the single quote file. So this is the program applying the month corresponding to the month number. Similarly, we can also write down the program for weekdays. You enter 1 for Monday, 2 for Tuesday, 3 for Wednesday, 4 for Thursday, 5 for Friday, 6 for Saturday, and 7 for Sunday, and default as an invalid day. So when you are having the fixed number of cases, fixed number of alternatives, then we can choose switch state. Thank you for listening to this session.